It's been a challenging week in our province, and it is easy to feel hopeless and powerless. But there is hope, and together we are powerful. We cannot change the number of new cases being reported today, and the cases we will see tomorrow are the result of how we behaved last week and the week before. But next week's numbers and the weeks after that are in our control. The future is up to all of us. I want to thank everyone who has embraced the province-wide mask mandate and restrictions on indoor and outdoor gatherings that went into effect on Tuesday. By following those measures, you are already helping to reduce the number of cases that we will see later this month. The other restrictions announced earlier this week for businesses and services will begin Saturday night at midnight. This is a deadline for implementation, but please consider what is possible to do before that to limit spread. I know owners, operators, and employees have been working hard to get ready for these changes, but we all need to start changing our behavior right now. We do not need to wait for the clock to strike midnight on Saturday and for those public health orders to go into effect to begin doing our part. This weekend, please do not rush into malls or cram into businesses tomorrow before the restrictions kick in. Don't host a holiday or Hanukkah party just because you don't think you'll get caught. Don't plan a family gathering just because you're pretty sure that your family doesn't have COVID. Every action we take is like throwing a stone into a lake. It ripples out, and we cannot know where those ripples will end. By altering our day-to-day actions immediately, we can reduce the number of new cases that we will see in the days and weeks ahead. It won't be easy. Nothing really is when it comes to this virus, but I know we can do it. In the spring and throughout the summer, we collectively kept our cases low and slowed the spread of COVID-19 in our province. Now is the time for us to do that again. Over the last 24 hours, we have identified 1,738 new cases of COVID-19 in Alberta and completed about 21,000 new tests. Our provincial positivity rate remains high at about 8.3%, and we now have 20,161 active cases. There are 684 people in hospital, including 123 who have been admitted into the ICU. Sadly, there were 18 deaths related to COVID-19 reported to us in the past 24 hours. My sympathies go out to those mourning their loss. I know the current gathering restrictions continue to make it challenging for the family and friends of these individuals and for anyone who has lost a loved one to any cause to grieve in the ways that we are used to. Please reach out in other ways to those you know who are navigating a difficult time.